How to download and install Windows 11 Superlite. Probably the fastest Windows 11 out there. Honestly, this is the moment that I was waiting, ever since the release of the first Windows 11 Insider Preview build. In the past, I've used Windows 10 Ghost Spectre Compact on my older laptop, and I was very satisfied with it. But when I was about to install the Superlite version on my main device, the whole Windows 11 mania started. And it was then when I decided to wait for the Windows 11 Superlite version from Ghost Spectre. And now, here it is. Ready for download and install. So let's get started. But first, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon, so you won't miss any of my future videos. Before you start with anything else, I recommend to download in advance all the drivers for your device. Most probably you'll not need them. But better to be safe. Also, don't forget to download your graphics card's latest driver. Additionally, I've downloaded the official Windows 11 ISO, just to make sure I have a backup option. And if for whatever reason I'm not happy with that either, I've also downloaded the Windows Insider build that I was currently on. The Insider build, you can download it from updump.net. Link in the description. Because I like to have everything ready to install, I've already downloaded every piece of software that I need and saved it on a separate drive. This way I have everything ready to install after the Windows setup. To download the Windows 11 Ghost Spectre, go to their YouTube channel and check out this video. You'll find direct link for the video down in the description. Here, scroll down and click on the first link, and you'll be redirected on their website. Here, go to the download link and choose either HX file or MediaFire. Notice how I've chosen the custom WPE bootable version. To make it easier for yourself, you can choose the second version, for normal bootable. To go on with the download, you need to put in the password. You can find the password back on their channel, in the video description. The second thing you need is Rufus. Rufus is a utility that helps format and create bootable USB flash drives, such as USB keys, pen drives, memory sticks, and so on. Once the download is complete, open Rufus, insert your USB drive, and select the Windows 11 image. I set my partition scheme to MBR, because maybe I'll try installing on an older device as well. The same reason why I've also checked the box next to add fixes for old BIOSes. Now, all you have to do is press start and wait for Rufus to finish flashing Windows 11 Ghost Spectre on your USB. When this is done, close Rufus and you can restart your device. You can use the Explorer window to make last-minute changes, in case you forgot to move or copy something important. And if everything is in order, click on the Windows logo to start the setup. Here you have 4 options. Compact, which is the bloatware-free version. Compact plus Windows Defender. Superlite, which means that Windows has the bare minimum to operate in order. And Superlite plus Windows Defender. After choosing the right option for yourself, click Next and select on which drive you want to install. You can choose to create a dual boot system, or full installation. I personally want to get rid of the old Windows, so I go for full installation. As you can see, the start menu is almost empty, and except the graphics card drivers and OBS screen recorder that I've previously installed, there are very few apps. Not even a browser. But don't worry, because you can install everything you need. Before I show you the best part of this modded Windows 11, I need to set the taskbar to its rightful place. Call me old-fashioned, but it feels wrong to have everything in the middle. So, the best part of this Windows version. The Ghost ToolBox. From here you can control basically everything. You can bring back features that were extracted from Windows 11, like Microsoft Store, Cortana, Xbox Game Bar and so on. You can also install browsers and other stuff directly from here. Modify or add users, change Windows Edition, tweaking for gaming. Basically make Windows exactly how you want. And the way you do all this is actually very easy. Just type the number in front of the option you wish to install or modify. For example, I want to install Chrome, so I type the number 14. Choose the option 1 for online install, and press enter. But my absolute favorite is number 24, Ghost Personalize. Here you can change themes, wallpapers or icon packs. Or enable and disable features like Transparency Taskbar, Explorer UI Ribbon, and so on. And the options here are not even bad. I've spent like an hour messing with themes and icons, that I completely forgot I was recording for this video. But I did finally found the right theme and icon pack for my taste. This is how you download and install Windows 11 Ghost Spectre Superlite. I will use this edition for the next weeks, and come back with a review video, sharing my thoughts and opinions about the OS. So please subscribe, so you won't miss that video. If you are interested in gaming benchmark, you can find a lot about it on the Ghost Spectre YouTube channel, and many others.